Hey, what's up guys? So I spent the entire day with Escort today. Basically woke up and headed on over to their headquarters and yeah, basically spent the day meeting with Escort, talking with people, interviewing them. We spent time going over their products, brainstorming ideas. They shared some things as far as things that they're going to be working on. They've got some really cool, creative things that they're working on. Had a chance to take a look at some new products that are going to be coming out soon. And basically, it's been a really cool experience. I've got a ton of videos now to share with you guys. So I guess the two main things that I went there to do, the first thing was to actually sit down with Escort and interview them. I had a chance to ask them a lot of questions that you guys had been wondering, things that I had been wondering, things that, maybe we hadn't gotten a good answer for yet. So I had a chance, and we were expecting maybe 20 or 30 minutes for the interview. It took a good hour, an hour and a half or something. So it was it was a lot more video than I was expecting, a lot more to the interview. And so it's going to take me some time to actually go through all the videos, put together the interviews. I've been thinking about maybe breaking them up into maybe several sections, like doing one section on radar stuff, another one on laser, another one on customer service, for example, or just figuring out how to break stuff down and make it more bite-sized and manageable. So maybe do a multi-part series. I also had a chance to tour the Escort facilities, and it was pretty cool. There was a lot of really cool stuff there. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get as much on camera as I was hoping. Before we got started, I wanted a chance to, just let's walk around, let's get familiar with what to expect. I wanted to say hi to everybody, help them feel comfortable. I would have a chance to meet them that way once we go do the video. We're all good to go a lot smoother. So I had a chance to meet a lot of people, and it was really cool. I saw a lot of really cool stuff. Unfortunately, once we got to shooting the factory tour, that was after the interview, and the interview took so much time that I didn't have a lot of time for the factory tour itself. So we had a chance to walk through it and meet some people, take a look at some cool tech stuff, which you'll see in the video. But I didn't get a chance to capture as much on camera as I would have liked, which was kind of unfortunate because there's a lot of really cool stuff there. The place is pretty huge, and they do a lot of things as far as designing products, manufacturing them. Yeah, they got customer service. They've got a whole bunch of cool stuff. You'll see. I'll probably work on that video first and then get to the interview. But yeah, anyway, a lot of cool stuff. There's a lot of great people at Escort. That's always one of my favorite things, is meeting the people behind the companies, and that's always been kind of a different experience than what you see just talking to people online or on the forums. Like, it's almost always a great experience getting a chance to meet people face to face. That's always been wonderful, and it's always been kind of one of my favorite things about this. It's different than the online thing. I learned a ton about custom install detectors and the mindsets of installers. Talked about Escort Live stuff, some things that they're working on there, some really creative ideas. Something that I didn't know, we talked about this on the forums, Monomoy, the company that had bought out Escort a couple years ago, they merged them with Cobra and all that kind of stuff. I don't remember if Monomoy did the merger for Cedar. I forget exactly the timing of that. But anyways, I know a lot of you guys have been pretty concerned about Escort, and I've just talking to them, I'm like, man, their situation hasn't been great on there, and they don't want to talk about it too much, which I understand, and I kind of agree with them. Anyways, they're no longer owned by Monomoy, and that's public information. I wasn't aware of it. It was as of November. They're gone. Now they have new investors and new people on board, and it seems like their experience on their end is now getting progressively better and better, and I'm really happy for them to see that, and I hope that continues to translate into things getting better and better, happier people, enjoying the process and coming up with cooler ideas, and as far as the engagement and all that stuff, I'm really hopeful for them just to see things get better and better. So anyway, yeah, I had a good experience overall. I guess on the flight back, I fly back tomorrow morning. The flights have been waking up at like 4 a.m. the past couple nights. I'm a little jet lagged. I'm on the East Coast time now, or I'm used to West Coast. I've been waking up early. So anyways, after this video, I'll just quick edit, upload to YouTube, and flying back tomorrow morning, and I'll probably just sit and got my laptop here, so I'll just start going through all the videos, and I got a couple hours, so just start working on, I'll probably do the factory tour video first, I'm thinking, because that one's pretty quick. I really wish I had more stuff to share. Like, don't get me wrong, we had some cool stuff to actually share, but there was so much stuff that we just didn't have time to share. So that, I guess, kind of bums me out a little bit. So I guess I'll do that first, and then I'll get to the actual interview, and I still have to figure out the best way to break that up. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Time to edit the video and get some sleep. So awesome. Hope you guys are doing well, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.